colors. Whee. Whoa. Alright, who's the one that brought the tinsel?
I know.
Whose present is that?
Who's the one that has the tinsel? You guys?
No.
Come on now, we have a 2-year-old. We know what can happen.
I know. The last thing we shop before is tinsel.
Stuck to the bottom of his feet.
I know. You're not funny.
He's gonna be a bully. He's gonna be a bully.
I want to mess it.
Be polite, chair. There's plenty for both of you. There's plenty.
There's plenty of tinsel to go
Oh my
around.
God.
You gotta share.
So Joey can have it.
Got on film. It's surprising. You okay?
Oh, goodness. Is your bum still there? Yeah, it's there.
Oh my God.
You guys gotta share. No,
There,
Jacob.
Jacob. There's enough.